Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I Javian Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Our today's topic of the session is supply chain management, which is called SCM also, from the subject of e-commerce and ERP. So, first of all, we will discuss what is SCM. In SCM, we will discover how to handle the entire production flow of a good or service to maximize quality delivery, the customer experience, and profitability. Okay, so first we will see what is supply chain management, and we will discuss other topics like what is the main component in SCM which is necessary for making SCM uh, good for organization and beneficial for organization. So what is SCM? So it as you as I said, it is a management that handling the entire production flow of a good or service, and it has been done from starting from the raw components to the delivery of the product to the consumer. So, for accomplishing this task, a company will create a network of suppliers, that means the link in the chain that move the product along from suppliers of raw materials to the organization who deal directly with users. According to CIO, there are six components of traditional supply chain management. So, conclusion of this definition is the main goal of the ACM is providing benefit to the organization and also customer satisfaction. Okay, so our first component in ACM is planning. Planning, as you know, planning is the main factor of any success. If you are preparing for some government exam, first of all, what will you do? You have to plan how to study, how much time you want to give in which subject. Like this, in ACM, planning is a very impactful factor, and you can say it is a very first component in ACM. So, how to plan, how to manage all resources which required to meet the customer's demand for a company's product or service. When the supply chain is established, determine metrics to measure whether the supply chain is efficient, effective, delivers value to customers, and meet company's goals. Okay. And the second component is your sourcing. Sourcing means you have how to choose your suppliers to provide the goods and services needed to create the product, then establish the process to monitor and manage supplier relationship, and the key process including like ordering, receiving, managing inventory, and authorizing supplier payments. So it deals uh, about the managing, packaging, ordering, and the payment related issues. Okay, and the third one is your making. Making means organize the activities required to accept raw materials and how to manufacture the product and how to test your quality, how to packaging your product, and the shipping is also considered in your making component. The fourth one is your delivering, which is also called logistic. Coordinating customers' order and scheduling delivery, dispatching loads, invoicing customers, and receiving payment, which everything is included in your delivering process. Okay, so it is also very important part in SCM. And the returning, create a network or process to take back defective, excess, or one unwanted product. it means if you got an effective piece of product, then if you want to return, how to exchange, and how to get another product, and the substitution of your effective piece, it is all done through your returning process. Okay. And the your last component is enabling. Enabling means establishing support process to monitor information throughout the supply chain and assure compliance with all regulation. Enabling processes include finance, human resource, IT facilities management and portfolio management, and product design, sales, and quality assurance. That means in enabling you have to deal with the finance, human resource, IT facilities management, and how to your portfolio management. Portfolio management is also plays a very important role to make ACM beneficial for your organization, and everything is in considering your enabling component. Okay, so this is all about your session, and in the next session we will see how to evolution of supply chain management, and what is the benefit of supply chain management. Okay, so thank you class. I hope you like my digital session. This digital session provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. This is a digital version 2.0. If you have any queries regarding this lecture, this session, please comment below. Thank you class.